Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ZIGChain token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ZIGChain ZIG is a layer 1 blockchain pulled to democratize access to wealth generating financial opportunities by bringing regulated real world investment products on chain. Wealth first infrastructure. It is a blockchain designed from the ground up to tokenize and distribute real world assets RWAs like private credit and invoice financing. Cosmos based technology built with the Cosmos SDK. Its EVM compatible supports fast transactions and users a proof of stake consensus for security. Viral accrual tokenomics. The native ZIG token is used to network fees and governance with a mechanism that uses ecosystem revenue to buy back tokens from the market. ZIGChain project institutional rating is 3.8. ZIGChain token total supply is 2 billion and circulating supply is around 1.4 billion ZIG token. ZIG token is listed on Bybit, KuCoin, MEXC, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.